That's it. We're done. Great job finishing the class. You might be wondering, what should I try next? I'd encourage you to have a look at other courses in the data science track here at Udacity. You might consider taking Intro to Data Science, Intro to Hadoop and MapReduce, or maybe Intro to Statistics. If you enjoyed this course, pretty much anything in the data science track is going to be of interest to you. If you'd like to learn more about MongoDB, we offer a number of introductory and advanced online courses on our own platform at MongoDB University. These courses cover all the details of MongoDB that we couldn't quite fit into this course. For example, there you'll see just exactly how we scale MongoDB to big data problems. These courses are completely free and taught in a style very much like the one you've just finished. Take a look at university.mongodb.com.